In my last tutorial, I showed you how to do halftone pattern using a different way, and this is how you use halftone pattern using the filter gallery. So basically go on filter, filter gallery, and on here you can add loads of different effects. So I decided to add reticulation, which is on sketch. You can change the sort of density, the background, the foreground. So I like to layer up the effects, so you click the add sign again, and you can add, if you go into texture, you can add grain, and this just adds to the final effect of the image basically. So I changed the intensity to 40 and the contrast to 45, and on here I was showing you can use the different grain types, so speckle, contrast, but I think I prefer regular on this image. And then if you click on the plus again, you can then add, if you go to sketch and then halftone pattern, and then the size of the, if you contrast size, if you change the size, it can make the dots bigger or smaller. And on here you can also change the effect of it, so you can do line or circle. But dot is the more traditional halftone pattern, so it kind of looks like an old newspaper image. But yeah, you can see that it's a bit more textured than the last one I showed you how to do. But yeah.